Alright, what's going on everybody? WitherFox here, and welcome to How to Mod Heroes of Hammerwatch. To go ahead and make this really quick here, if you're like me and you have some single player saves or basically already a vanilla save, you're just going to go into Profiles here, and this is my vanilla save right here. It's my profile too, because I've modded this before, but it's important to know that when you click on Change Mods, it should give you this note right here. Says enabling mods in a profile will permanently mark it as modded. Are you sure you want to continue enabling mods for profile 2? When you mod Heroes of Hammerwatch, and to my understanding there's no way around this, but it will disable Steam achievements, so keep that in mind for those of you who want to try to go through and 100% complete this game. You won't be able to do that on a modded profile, so they've looked around that. But anyway, you're just going to go ahead and make sure you hit no on that. Take your vanilla save and just clone this profile. If you don't have a vanilla save, just go ahead and click create a new profile. It should work just the same. But anyway, you'll notice that right now this little home is grayed out, which means that we have this profile selected right now. This little home is not, and if we click change mods, we will get the same message on this one. Make sure you go to the profile that has the home available to click on, not the one grayed out. If it's grayed out, it means you have that selected. We're going to go to our second profile, the one we just barely cloned, and that says we can switch to it. We're going to click change mods and hit yes. Now, you guys probably won't get anything else that comes up here other than that, other than just like no mods there. But to go ahead and fix this, you're just going to hold shift and press tab. It's going to open up your basically Steam thing right here. You're going to go into workshop, open up that workshop here, and it's going to take you to basically where everybody has submitted their mods. So after you hit shift and tab, open up the overlay and pull up your workshop. It should look a little something like this. I had to pull it up in this Steam menu because I can't record the overlay in game apparently. So this is what it should look like, something similar, but you should be in game while you're doing this. You could do this out of game too, it doesn't matter too much. What you're going to go ahead and do is look for a mod that you particularly want. So let's say multiplayer scale mod, and this just goes ahead and sets multiplayer scale to 4 players. It's kind of nice. We're going to click subscribe. Maybe we want to go back, look for other mods. Let's do Necromancer class rework. Subscribe to that one too. And after that, you're just going to go ahead and close the overlay out and relaunch the game. Alright, and once you go ahead and restart this game here, go ahead and go back into profiles, and you're going to go to your profile right here. That's the modded one, the one you want to mod. Shouldn't be selected already. Your vanilla one should be selected, or your whichever normal one. But go into change mods, you'll have to go ahead and hit yes for this one. Make sure you don't hit yes for the other one. And you'll see that our multiplayer scale mod is right here. So again, to recap, to get more mods, you'll just go ahead and hold shift tab, go up to workshop, select any mod you want to, hit subscribe, close the game, wait for it to stop, click play again, and then go into your profile. Once you go into your profile, you'll go into change mods, and it should be right there. Awesome. Alright, well thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helps, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments. I will try to get back to you guys when I can.